of spiders, most of us feel the same thing: fear, 8 legs, venomous bites, creeping in dark corners. But what if I told you that some of these feared creatures might soon save human lives? Today, we're talking about something extraordinary: how deadly spider venom is being used to create medicine.
The readings look stable.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay.
We are here with you.
All right, let's get into the video. So, what actually makes spider venom so special? It's not just some random poison spiders throw around to scare us. No, it's way smarter than that. It's carefully designed by nature over millions of years to do very specific jobs. When a spider bites, its venom can do things like shut down nerves, freeze muscles, block pain, or even stop organs from working. And it has to work almost instantly. There's no time for mistakes when you're hunting or defending yourself. That means every molecule in spider venom is precise, targeted, and powerful. Now here's why this matters to us. Most medicines today are kind of rough. They don't just fix one problem, they affect your whole body, which is why side effects happen. Spider venom works differently. It can target one tiny switch in your nervous system. One signal, one pathway, one type of cell. That level of accuracy is something doctors have always wanted. For a long time, scientists only studied venom to figure out how to treat spider bites, but then they noticed something strange. Some venom compounds didn't damage cells at all. In fact, they protected them.
The culture is showing promising growth patterns.
Excellent. Administer the solution precisely.
Noted. Preparing to label the dish now.
Some blocked pain without making people numb. Others even stopped brain cells from dying. That was the turning point. Suddenly, spider venom became a tool that could potentially save lives, and scientists started exploring ways to turn these deadly molecules into life-saving treatments.
You're doing great. Just relax.
Take a deep breath for us.
We're all here with you.
The world's deadliest spider saving stroke victims. Let's talk about the Australian funnel web spider. This spider is straight up terrifying. It's aggressive, insanely fast, and its venom is strong enough to kill a human if there's no treatment. For years, it was known as one of the most dangerous spiders on the planet. But hidden inside that deadly venom, scientists found something unbelievable. Researchers discovered a tiny protein called Hi1A, and this molecule could change how we treat strokes. When someone has a stroke, blood flow to part of the brain suddenly stops. Without oxygen, brain cells start dying within minutes. Even worse, the damage can keep spreading after doctors restore blood flow. Hi1A steps in, right at that critical moment. It blocks a specific ion channel, basically a molecular switch in brain cells, that tells them to self-destruct when oxygen runs out. By turning that switch off, Hi1A helps brain cells stay alive longer. It's amazing to think that something so feared in nature could become a life-saving medicine. Tarantulas and heart medicine. Tarantulas look terrifying, big, hairy, intimidating, but their venom may help treat heart disease. Inside tarantula venom are compounds that control how calcium moves inside heart cells. This matters because calcium controls how the heart beats. When calcium flow goes wrong, the heart can beat irregularly, which can be deadly. Researchers are now using tarantula venom as inspiration to create drugs that stabilize heart rhythm without damaging the rest of the body. Pain and nerve disorders. Pain. We all hate it, but for millions, medicine can't fix it, or comes with scary side effects. But what if I told you spider venom might be the answer? Sounds crazy, right? But scientists discovered tiny molecules in venom called peptides, and these aren't just random toxins. They're like precision tools that can block pain signals in your nervous system. Basically, they stop your brain from feeling the pain without the heavy side effects of regular painkillers. The Brazilian wandering spider and erectile dysfunction. You won't believe this, but one of the world's most dangerous spiders might actually help with erections. Yep, really. The Brazilian wandering spider is infamous for its venom, which can be terrifyingly potent. But here's the wild part. One of its side effects is causing painful, long-lasting erections. Sounds scary, but it caught scientists' attention for a very interesting reason. Researchers discovered that the venom works by boosting blood flow. It affects the nitric oxide pathway, which relaxes blood vessels, the exact same mechanism used by erectile dysfunction drugs like Viagra. Now, scientists are exploring modified versions of this venom to create potential new treatments for erectile dysfunction.
The readings are stable. Continue monitoring the flow. Transferring the samples now.
The goal? Something that might work faster, more naturally, and maybe with fewer side effects than current medications. Cancer and antimicrobial uses. Spider venoms have also shown potential against cancer and microbes. Scientists have discovered that some molecules in spider venom can attack tumor cells. These tiny peptides interfere with how cancer cells grow and divide, slowing their progress or even triggering cell death.
The culture has shown significant growth in the last hour.
I see, indicating a positive reaction. Let's continue observing its progression.
But here's the crazy part. Scientists have figured out how to handle it safely, and it's all done without harming a single spider. In fact, turning venom into medicine is kind of like turning a scary villain into a superhero. Let me show you how it works, step by step. Step 1. Collecting the venom. It all starts with the spiders themselves. But don't worry, they're not just letting anyone poke them. Researchers handle these tiny, 8-legged venom machines with extreme care. Using tiny, harmless electric stimulations or other safe techniques, they gently encourage the spider to release its venom, just a little drop at a time. That way, the spider stays healthy and happy, and the researchers stay alive.
Setting the clip now.
Connection confirmed.
Initiating pulse.
Vital signs stable.
Releasing subject.
Successful activation.
Safety is everything here, especially because some of these spiders are seriously deadly. Lab coats, gloves, face shields, you name it, they've got it on. Step 2. Breaking down the venom. Now comes the really fascinating part. Spider venom isn't just one thing, it's a crazy mix of hundreds of molecules, a super complex cocktail of proteins and peptides. To make sense of it all, scientists use advanced tools like chromatography and mass spectrometry. This step is crucial because not every molecule is useful. Some are dangerous, but some have incredible potential. Step 3. Testing the molecules. Once the venom is broken down into its individual parts, scientists start the real detective work.
The results are within acceptable parameters.
Initiate the filling sequence.
They test each molecule to see what it can do in living systems. Some molecules can block nerve signals, which might help treat pain. Others protect heart cells or reduce dangerous inflammation. Every single test is about finding the molecules that could one day become life-saving drugs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who hates spiders just a little bit too much.